Two people in America earn $5,000 per month. Same salary, same country, same opportunities. But after 10 years, one is living paycheck to paycheck. The other is building wealth, investing, and moving toward financial freedom. What's the difference? Not income, not luck. It's how they manage their money. In today's video, I'll show you how the top 1% manage their money and how you can apply the same strategies in the USA, even if you're working a 9 to 5, a student, or just starting out. Stay till the end, because the last habit changes everything. Point number 1. The 1% don't budget, they build systems. Most people say, I need to make a budget. The 1% say, I need a money system. They automate everything. As soon as money hits their bank account, it's divided automatically. 50 to 60%, living expenses 20 to 30%, investments 10%, emergency fund. The rest, lifestyle and fun. In the USA, they use tools like Mint Y, NAB, Vanguard/Fidelity Auto Investing. Golden rule, pay yourself first. Spend what's left, not the other way around. Point number 2, they use credit cards as a tool, not free money. Average people fear credit cards, or worse, abuse them. The 1% use credit cards like professionals. They pay 100% of the balance every month, never pay interest, use cashback, points, and travel rewards, maintain 750 plus credit score. In the USA, your credit score is power. Lower mortgage rates, cheaper car loans, easier business funding. Rule, if you can't pay cash for it, don't put it on a credit card. Point number 3, the 1% invest early, even with small amounts. Most people say, I'll invest when I make more money. The 1% say, I invest so I can make more money. They start early, even with $100 or $200 a month. Common USA investments, S&P 500 index funds, ETFs 401k with employer match Roth, IRA, real estate, later stage. They understand compound interest. $500 per month invested at 10% for 30 years equals over $1 million. Time matters more than amount. Point number 4, they control lifestyle inflation. When income goes up, most people upgrade everything. Bigger house, new car, expensive habits. The 1% upgrade investments first, lifestyle later. They drive paid off or reasonable cars. Avoid showing off to spend intentionally, not emotionally. Rule, just because you can afford it doesn't mean you should buy it. Point number 5, the 1% think long-term, not monthly, 5 to 6. Average people think, can I afford this month? The 1% think, how will this decision affect me in 10 years? They plan retirement, early tax strategies, passive income streams. They don't chase quick wins. They play the long game. Point number 6, they invest in financial education. The 1% constantly learn taxes, investing, business, money psychology. They focus on assets, not liabilities. Passive income ownership, not just salary. Even if you start small today, your future self will thank you. If you learned something valuable, like this video, subscribe for more USA-based money content, and comment below, which habit are you going to start today? Because remember, you don't need to be rich to manage money like the 1%. You manage money like the 1%, and you become rich.